Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for July 27, 2015. And we're going to have a cold front that's going to be pushing very slowly to the southeast. Could have some morning showers still associated with it until it moves to the southeast here across the southeastern portions of our coverage area. And then we expect it to slowly dissipate today. So because this boundary is still in close proximity here, you might have some scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially in our eastern and southeastern sections. Until this front finally pushes through and dissipates. You can see it's starting to fall apart here in the next frame here toward the evening. Just some scattered showers over our eastern section at this point and southeastern section. So let's go over the NAM high-res future simulated radar. This is actually looking at 8 o'clock in the morning. Some leftover widely scattered showers that are moving through here at this point. And then as we go a little bit further here, the focus of those showers will remain across New Jersey and our eastern sections, may get into southeastern PA. So we're going to leave an isolated shower or thunderstorm chance across this area here, because even though the boundary is dissipating slowly and is a decaying boundary, you still might have enough lift associated with that, with the heating, that could provide some showers and thunderstorms moving through here in those areas as well. And so you can see across southeastern PA, southern New Jersey, that threat moves into Delaware, then still left an isolated shower back here too. Again, that boundary is kind of draped right across this area here, so that could become the focus of showers and thunderstorms yet later this afternoon and evening here. This is looking actually at 7 p.m. So we got a few isolated showers and thunderstorms could pop up in our northwest zones as well, but just because of the boundary being in such close proximity before it dissipates. So not overall, not at all, not a washout today, not too bad of a day. But we will have the isolated thunderstorm chances and more scattered as you head east and southeast across New Jersey and again across Delaware. Going back to the global models now, we're going to move into beyond this point. We'll become partly cloudy overnight, Monday night, and we'll get into Tuesday. High pressure is going to move in from the west, and we'll have a couple of clear days here before we get into Thursday. Another frontal boundary approaches, and we'll get into this in a second. Let me go over to the the temperatures expected over Tuesday and Wednesday. We're going to get quite hot here, getting up close to 90 degrees in many locations here on Tuesday. Of course, the humidity is going to start returning a little bit. Not full force humidity yet, but by the time we get to Wednesday here, many locations are in the low to mid-90s, many mid-90 readings up in here too, so up in the interior at least, and we're going to get some maybe some heat advisories out of this. We'll have to wait and see what the National Weather Service does, but Wednesday looks like to be the worst day of this mini heat wave, if you want to call it that. I need 3 in a row here. It's going to be kind of tough in some locations just because Thursday now, going back to the models here, Thursday, though, this frontal boundary is going to come through. It's relatively weak, and you can see that's clearly situated like this, but this frontal boundary is going to move in a little bit earlier, we think, so it might be more of a morning and maybe early afternoon threat for most of our coverage area here. That might linger a little bit longer to the areas to the southeast here. As you go to the next frame here, that thunderstorm threat, the most potent area of the thunderstorms, I should say, would be across the southeastern areas. By this point in the evening, the front has already moved through many locations across our Pennsylvania sections, except maybe extreme southeastern PA. So we might have, you start off with the showers and thunderstorms in the morning across our Pennsylvania counties, maybe any by early afternoon, then the front pushes through, you have partial clearing, but then you'll have the shower and thunderstorm threat continuing for areas south and east, it looks like, on Thursday. But once that moves through, this front's really not going to do too much in the way of temperatures that knock temperatures back. We will have high pressure moving in from the west here, but you will have a wind coming out of the northwest here on Friday. So Friday, although it's a nice day, it's very warm, you're still looking at lower humidity values because we have a northwesterly wind. So you'll have a break from the heat and humidity for a day, and then this weekend looks like it's going to heat up again. We're getting close to 90 degrees both Saturday and Sunday. Right now, it doesn't look like we're going to have any rain to deal with, but that can certainly change with time, so please check back with us. The best day, best chance of a mostly sunny day would be Saturday, probably going partly cloudy here on Sunday. Looks like the next round of precipitation with the next cold front is well to our west, and that wouldn't get here until early next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich, and that is your outlook for July 27, 2015. Have a great Monday.